The first ever State Women's Conference 2022 was held at the State Convention Centre. The conference was jointly organized by the Social Welfare and Women and Child Development Department in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Commission for Women. The conference, organized under the theme Support and Celebrate, witnessed participation of women from across the domains of entrepreneurs, HIP, SHG leaders, academicians, writers, journalists, university students and women who have contributed towards betterment of society at large. The event also aimed at celebrating women and generating dialogues towards creating a sustainable and enabling environment for women. While addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that 50% of the seats for the secretaries of the village employment councils will be reserved for women. Earlier, a recorded speech by the Union Minister for Child and Women Development, Smriti Irani, was also telecast on the occasion.
Prime Minister's flagship program, POSHAN, is of great significance not only to the nation at large, but particularly the state of Meghalaya.
There needs to be a connect, and there needs to be a platform where we can discuss all these issues, bring together people and women from different walks of life to, yes, celebrate on the different aspects that are there, things that are happening, but more importantly discuss on critical issues which need to be addressed.